So this is a full-on smart booking system built within the Google Workspace. So it's a cost-effective drop-in replacement for expensive booking and CRM systems while being fully customizable for any business. I'm going to demonstrate how it works for a hotel, but it can be adapted for spas, medical office, restaurant, or any professional service-based business. So here's an overview. This is the client, or should I say user-facing form. This is where the user is going to fill in the form and submit to make a reservation. Here's the user's inbox. Then for the admin side of things, here's our Google Drive. Here's where we store our invoice templates, and all the generated invoices, they are saved in this Google folder. Then here we have our sheet, our database for the reservation. Then here's the script that handles everything behind the scenes, the Google Ads script. Then here we have our calendar. So basically what happens is that whenever there's a new request, a new reservation request, we send the user an email, a confirmation email, and at the same time we create a calendar event for the reservation so that the hotel manager would know when the user is coming in. We also have status tracking. New reservations are automatically on the wait list. Then we can update this to confirmed, to paid, to completed, and we can also cancel it. So for the client side of things, for the customer side of things, here's our booking form. The customer is going to fill out this form if they want to make a reservation. I'm going to demonstrate that for you just now. So here we have we enter our email, the name let's use John or Hannah. Then phone number, we don't enter anything random. Then your room type, select deluxe. Number of guests, we enter 2. Click next. We're going to check in tomorrow. Check out on the 30th. For additional services, we are going to room service, breakfast, and any special request. We say no, and then we submit. So here's what happened. We get a confirmation email in our inbox anytime soon. So here we have a confirmation email. This is how it works from the client side, from the customer side. Then on the admin side, what happens is that the script is automatically going to save it in our Google Sheets. Here we have the new entry. This row is saved as a wait list. Here we have the user email, their reservation ID, and also the script saves these reservation check-in dates in our Google Calendar so that the hotel manager would know when the user is coming in. Here you can see all the details for this reservation. So basically, as a hotel manager, if I've confirmed availability, I'm going to update the status to confirmed. So here's what's going to happen behind the scene. When the status gets updated to confirmed, the system is going to generate an invoice from this template, from this Google Doc template. Here we have a branded invoice template that we are using to generate our own PDF invoices. We've automatically replaced all these placeholders. So when this gets set to confirm, the system is going to automatically generate an invoice from this our template. Then it's going to send it out to the user. So I'm going to show you how that happens now. So I'm going to set this to confirmed. Then behind the scenes, the script is going to send out an email to this user, and it's also going to save the invoice in our Google Drive. Here's our new email, it just came in. So the reservation status has been set to updated. So it's going to take just anything less than a minute for the status to come. So here we have our invoice, and see here we have our invoice to Hannah. The room is deluxe room, the check-in and check-out dates, and the total amount. The user has to complete this within 48 hours. So whenever the hotel manager confirms the payment, it's going to update the status to paid, and the user is going to be notified that their reservation has been set to paid. So I'm going to set this back to waitlist. The user is also going to be notified. So the reason why I set that back to waitlist is because I want to demonstrate something. This system has automated follow-ups. Basically, it sends out 3 days reminders for all confirmed reservations. It's going to send out these reminders to let the customer know that they're supposed to check in 3 days from now. We don't have that luxury of time, so I'm going to just comment out the code that checks for the 3 days interval. I'm going to comment this out so we can send out our mail now. So in the Google Sheets dashboard, this is a custom menu. When you click it, you click send reminders. It's going to send reminders to all confirmed or paid reservations so that the customer would know that they're supposed to check in 3 days from now. So when I click this, it's going to send this guy an email. So we click send. The script is running. When that script is done, we're supposed to get an email. Here we go. Of reminder that we're supposed to check in 3 days from now. The system is fully customizable for your business needs. If you need to change the form fields, if you need to adjust the email templates, if you need to adjust the invoice format, or you need to set different room types, all this is fully customizable. If your business have any specific needs or features, we can incorporate this. And it's also mobile friendly. You can just send this form out to your user and they'll fill it out, or the hotel manager would fill this out themselves. So this smart booking system gives you all the functionalities of expensive booking software at a fraction of the cost, leveraging Google Workspace tools that you are already familiar with. Number one, is secure, it's reliable, and it can grow with your business. Yeah. Thank you for watching. For more information on implementing this system for your business, just shoot me a DM, invite me, or just let me know.